We're all in the front of the eye.
Oh, wait, where are you going? It's on top of the,
Ocular conjunctiva,
it's on the top.
right at the surface of the cornea. Anterior cavity, iris, lens. So is this, I know I keep saying it, but is this on the list? Do we need ciliary processes?
Yes.
No, you don't need the process,
Oh,
but
you
they're
need
a
the
good
body.
marker.
All right, well, good marker for the ciliary body. I guess my other spouse. All right. So now you notice we're here at the lens. Once we go posterior to the lens, this is now the posterior cavity. Anterior cavity is anterior to the lens all the way up to the cornea. Anterior cavity between the cornea and the lens. Posterior to the lens, this is all posterior cavity. Oh, there we go. That's big posterior cavity. Look at that. Big posterior cavity. And then down here, we're at the posterior portion of the eye, this way. But let's do this instead. Let's go back to the ciliary body. And let's just follow it around. Follow all of this around. And here again, we're at the back of the eye. And that's as far as we can zoom out. So let's start in, this will be a good area to look at. So we're at the back of the eye. So we have the term, the sclera. So it's that thick collagen, the tough outer layer of the eye. The sclera. Just deep to the sclera where you see this dark area in here. This is all the choroid. Let's go ahead and zoom in. So we'll go from 4x to the 10x objective. So again out here we have, what is this area? Sclera, and now deep to that. I see a blood vessel right in there. Choroid. So now, just after the choroid, from here all the way in, this is all the retina. And we can use this slide, and the lab manual says there's a specific slide for the retina, which we have, but everything we need for the retina is right here. So let me adjust it over a little bit. So from the choroid, you have just this thin dark line, a certain part of the retina. That's the pigmented layer of the retina. And now next where you see this pink and the purple, the purple is so distinct, but it's the pink and the purple. This is where we have the rods and cones. The rods and cones, the photoreceptors. The next layer you see more pink and purple. Here's where we have bipolar cells. Again, the purple dots, nuclei of bipolar neurons.
So it's the light pink and the purple dot?
So the purple is the nucleus, the pink is cytoplasm. Which is we're seeing the whole cell. Yeah, the pink is cytoplasm, the purple is specifically the nuclei. Bipolar cells. And now the next row, this is where we have ganglion cells. And this white space in here, this is the posterior cavity, the space in the back of the eye. And you should be able to go from the posterior cavity to the lens. See it? There's one. Yeah, there's the lens. The posterior cavity, going all the way back through the eye.
Do the ganglion cell layers, the two pink layers on both sides of it, the nuclei,
Both sides.
would you still consider that ganglion cell layer?
And to make it really clear, we'll just point right to the nuclei. So ganglion, bipolar, rods and cones, pigmented layer, choroid, sclera, just alternating colors. It's like tiramisu. Oh, how's wrong with you? You just follow this area around, and it's gonna lead all the way to our ciliary body. Follow it around.
So it, because of the lines and stuff.
Come around and follow it.
Thanks for
That ciliary body.
So it ends in the ciliary body?
And on Blackboard, since we're all looking this way, for histology,
Or it could be a sandwich.